Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create the Outlook signature with the picture. So to do this is pretty simple. So you will have to sign into your Outlook as you can see right here, and then you'll just have to go to settings. From settings, you'll be in general, but just press mail. From there, you want to do compose and reply, and then from here, you will see your email signature. So an email signature will be in the bottom of your email where you will have your signature. I just have mine set right here as my name, but we can do so with a picture. So for example, just press this button right here where it has a picture logo in it, and then you'll have to press it. From there, you just want to select the photo or your signature. Let's just say it's this one for an example. And as you can see, there's going to be an example of how the signature would look like if this was a signature. Then all you have to do is press save and then it will save. So let's just save it right here so that you will see that it's already saved. So you can of course delete this and add a new signature if you want for different types of clients or emails. So there you go guys, that's how you create an Outlook signature with a picture. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.